you have always been telling me that I am not pro nature. Imagine, we are just putting the trees in the right place. The Capitol complex is not a forestry. We are building the proper infrastructure to prevent flooding in the future and to have enough area for us to develop more infrastructures, facilities, no? Like the 11-story Capitol Plaza, which will house the provincial offices and some government, national government agencies. Ngayon, pag titignan nyo, punta kayo dun sa likod, napakaluwang na kalsada, nag-i-invite ng mga pamilya, mga namamasyal doon. And we also plan to, siyempre, to build the 320-room internationally branded hotel for convention. We are just building the infrastructure necessary to invite more tourists and to make it more convenient for the general public in terms of environmental friendly Capitol complex, a very walkable Capitol complex, complete with retail, very safe because we'll be installing CCTV cameras and traffic light systems. Very historical because we will be building monuments that commemorate and remind us of what happened in the past, especially yung Second World War. And all of these have undergone thorough study. And, we have planted more than 500,000 trees. And the second term, we intend to reach 1 million trees to be planted. So I invite all of you to join us in some of those tree planting events. So you will see that we are pro-environment. In fact, nung mayor nga ako sa Pinalonan, tinanim ko yung mga puno doon.
So ang issue
naging green.
The issue is in Pinalonan, you never cut the acacia trees.
We never cut because they're in the proper place. O ngayon, pinagtatanim nila eh. Even yung native tree enthusiasts noon, ba't tinaniman nila ng mga Gimelina, ng mga mahogany, no? Oh. So makita nyo lang yung plano, just be patient and makikita nyo how it will turn out. No? Maganda yung plano. Siyempre, ilang hektarya yung development. We're targeting for the fountain mga December. Yung road network hopefully will finish by first quarter of 2026. May esplanade pa yon towards the beach. Andun lahat ng recreational facilities like public basketball courts, adult exercise equipment. May marina pa tayo doon because sa Estancia, Lingayen, gagawin na po namin yung naiplano noon pa na golf course. Oo, doon sa 184. Golf course na talaga. Golf course. Kasi andun yung plano, may ECC siya. Might as well implement. Oh, may marina doon sa Estancia, may marina doon sa tatapatan ng ating proposed 320-room Mercure Hotel. You have to understand my position that you have to make some decisions. You weigh things, no? So, pero yan, ginagawa naman, rational naman tayo dyan, pinag-aaralan lahat. Nakita niyo yung drainage na ginagawa ko sa Capitol Complex. Ang lalaki, di ba? May pump system yun, may cistern tank yun na ginagawa kami. Oo, may sump pit yun. May smart traffic light system. Ang mga sidewalk na ginagawa natin are minimum of 2.5 meters. Na kahit anong oras madadala mo yung pamilya mo, hindi ka matatakot. Dati forestry, ikaw ba gusto mo maglakad doon ng hating gabi? Diba? Ang kikitid ng kalsada. Dinidevelop natin kasi yan lang ang mag-i-invite. Kung ganun ang itsura, ma-invite pa natin ang mga kainan dyan. Hindi. So you have to have a template, a master plan development for you now to sell the location. And then pupunta sila. Doon yung model eh. That's how you do business eh.
Sir,
Oh, that's how you improve the economy of your locality. By the way, lahat po ng mga utilities natin, yung mga wire, in-underground po natin.
How to?
Naka-underground. Pati communication naka-underground. And all of that area, libre ang wifi niya. Oh, so, ano sabihin nilang, hindi ako, ano, diba? We're pro-development, we're pro-nature.